Good day mga ka-choy. Another day, another order, another budol. Flex lang natin yung order ng reseller natin. Ayan, tatlong original genuine na Suzuki drive belt for Suzuki Chernori. And 5 piraso ng generic or replacement belt. Ayan, all goods. As tatlong aftermarket na piston kit. Complete package na yan. May piston pin. May piston ring. Then, syempre yung piston mismo. And yung piston lock. Ayan, nandiyan yan. All good yan, masikip. Suzuki genuine cylinder head gasket. Tatlo. Tapos meron din siyang order na valve cover gasket or tappet gasket. Dalawang original na kick spring. Ayan, SGP product. Tapos isang generic na or replacement na kick spring. So yun lahat ng order niya. Peace out.